I just put on the Ryco Street Legal Kit for the 2019 Polaris RZR. Mine's a 1000 turbo. It's not the S model, and it's pretty good. The LED, some of the LEDs just look like they might be out of alignment just a little bit, but I don't know if that's how it's built, but works pretty good. So that's pretty neat. Seems to work. I put the kit on myself, and that wasn't a problem. One thing that I wasn't very happy with is the green turn signal lights that are in the gauge cluster. You can see when you turn power onto the dash, they don't work. And apparently that has something to do with the electronics that's inside this gauge cluster. But it's disappointing. In the meantime, I decided to mount my lights just in a panel here, which is kind of hokey, but it works. And the reason I did that is because I didn't want to drill into my dash in case they ever get those lights to work in the cluster. I can just replace those panels for a couple bucks, and I don't have to worry about it.